Hello friends, welcome to TechProg. In our last video, we will learn the introduction of Python, and there we will learn that who created the Python, why it's so popular and famous, and the history of Python. There we will see why we should use Python. As we know, Python is so easy and platform independent. But today we are going to learn how and where we could download the latest version of Python in our system for our projects. Now open your latest browsers. Guys, my browser is Firefox, and you can open your own browser, and after that you have to go on the www.python.org. Guys, here you can easily download your Python at free of cost. It's opening, guys. I think my internet is slow. That's why it's taking time. Guys, it's open. Yeah. Now guys, it's open. Look at the header. You will see the downloads option. Go to the right hand side. You can see the latest version is Python 3.8.2. If you will see my last video, I will show you my system's latest version. It's also 3.8.2. Let's see its list of downloads. Now here you can see that the latest version is it's Python 3.8.2, and you can download it on different operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and other operating system. If you want to download for your operating system, click on these options, and if you will see down here, the Python versions is shown. It's 3.8, 3.7, 3.6, 3.5, and 2.7. Guys, in the down sections you can see Python 3.8.3 RC1 is also available, but I think it's a beta version. So I recommended guys please download 3.8.2 because it is stable version. So guys, please download it first. And if you will download the Python zip files, extract it. After the extract operation, it will take time. I think guys something is going wrong. Hold on guys. I will show you the commands after the installation of the zip file. If you are using Linux system, I will show you my version of Python in my system. Yeah, now it's okay. Now first go to the terminal. Write Python version, and this command will show you the latest version in your system. My version is Python 3.8.2. I have also installed Python 2, so I will show you my Python 2 version. It's 2.7.18. Guys, now we will see the commands. But first, guys, please extract your files of Python. After the extraction, guys, go to the terminal, and later you will go in the file section. Your first command is configure. Configure command is for configuring the scripts. I'm sorry guys, I'm stammering. Second command is make, and third is make install. After you will execute these three commands, the Python version is installed in your system by default. But if you want to use it in your terminal, you have to add the part on your system to execute the Python properly. These path address is the path of the Python. You have to add it in your system. If you are using Windows, go to the setting and add these path address. Its path equal to $path :user/local/bin/python. After that, your system can easily detect your Python and execute it. If you are install your Python and it will executing, that's good guys. I think we have to test it first. Let's examine it. My system exactly downloaded it or not. Let's create a file. I'm creating a file like small message dot py. Yeah. It's I'm printing my message in my output. It's I'm writing here Python latest version is the latest version of Python. It's my message, guys. Okay guys, came out of it. Now I am executing my Python program. Now Python G message, and then yeah guys, you can see here my message is shown in the output. It's Python 3.8.2 is the latest version of Python. Now guys, Python is installed in my system and I can easily use it in my system. And if you want, if you guys want to execute in the terminal, not to going in the IDE, you can execute it here, like print. I'm executing it. Hello world. It's small message guys. Now guys, it's working good and properly. So that's all for today guys. Thank you for being with me. In our next tutorial, I will give you on the indentation of Python, it's and reserve, and how many types of comments in the Python. These topics are so small, guys, but if you think these are not important, then I don't think you are thinking well, guys, because in your interviews these small topics will discussed. So guys, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you guys. Goodbye friends.